to start by removing this gear lock here, little cosmetic piece here. Next, we're going to apply some pressure on the bottom tabs here, just like that, and also from the side as well, just like that. Be very gentle at this point. This is a little bit more of a harder plastic. We don't want to crack that too much, so be very gentle. Just bring in your flathead behind. Just put some light, gentle pressure right behind it. Same from the other side. Once you have it at a certain point where it's more than halfway up, at that point you should be able to go ahead and give it a little bit more of a pop, and it'll come off just like that. We want to go ahead and unlock this knob here. And if you come in a little closer, I'm going to move this a little sideways, and in there you'll see that little red button there. You just want to go ahead and put something in here like a flathead. Just press on it gently, and that will release the knob. At this point, we also want to make sure we have the brake on, the handbrake. Best thing to do is do that before you actually unlock it, but that's how you do it. Now's the time to give us a big like, subscribe to our channel. We have more videos just like this. Comment. I really enjoy reading your comments. This is Eli with MyAirbags.com. Save time and money on your next project.